Thank you for tuning in to Greater Renovation Associates LLC. Today we'll be doing fence vegetation removal and hedge trimming. This is the fence. We're taking all the debris, or most of this debris. See, there's a lot of trees, bushes, vines, all along this fence line. We're going to cut a lot of that down to give a better appearance, a cleaner appearance. This is the after. You'll see a lot of it has been removed, trimmed up, cleaned up, cut down. A lot of these trees were actually grown in between the fences, so we couldn't remove it all. This is the back fence line, which you'll see is very well overgrown. That's the before. This is the after we cut a lot of it off. This is one direction. This is looking in the other direction, the before. And after that, we'll show you the after, where a lot of that has been removed and cut down. This is the front hedges in front of the porch. We're going to leave the tall flowers. They were actually planted. And the regular hedges, we're just going to trim up. As you'll see, this is the after. You already saw the before. And we're going to go down the whole front of the house. Continue to trim up all the bushes. Get it look nice and neat. This is the before, and this is the after. Nice, clean, and neat. Thank you for watching Greater Renovation Associates. To see upcoming videos, please subscribe.